Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Today we're doing an update on Faucet, one of the highest paying faucets online. Get started by logging in with your C-Wallet email. Your dashboard is on the left. You have your Shortlinks and Faucet located here. Let's select Faucet on our dashboard and make a claim before we watch the videos. Solve the easy CAPTCHA. You should see your balance update on the top left. Faucet has added hundreds of new ads to click. We can easily earn Bitcoin by watching YouTube videos and PTC links. Next, select PTC on your dashboard. You can choose from window or iframe ads. The YouTube videos are here as well. They have added hundreds of new YouTube videos to watch. You can earn a decent amount of coins when you have so many videos to earn from. Select YouTube and choose one of the videos to watch. Watch the video until the timer runs out. After you watch each video, you have to solve the CAPTCHA. Your balance should be updated when you refresh the page. Keep watching the videos until you reach the withdrawal limit. It's very low, less than 100 Satoshi. When you're ready to cash out, go back to your dashboard and select Withdraw. You can withdraw to your Faucet Pay or C-Wallet account. The coins are sent instantly. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.